I will be meeting the Assam Chief Minister tomorrow evening. It is a meeting that is again at a more of an unofficial level. As I had mentioned to you many times before, that we have been having unofficial discussions on this very important subject many times, and tomorrow is a continuation of that. And we will also tomorrow, while we sit, we will also fix a date for an official meeting between the two governments, and so that also will be on the agenda. And obviously we'll have unofficial discussions about many other discussions about many other topics. So yes, tomorrow evening I'll be meeting him in Guwahati.